Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can change the sound input and output on Windows 11. So let's start. This video is pretty straightforward, so if this video is going to help you, write down below in the comments for other people to know too. So go to bottom, next to the search is going to be a start button. Click on it, right click on it, and then under Task Manager you're going to see settings. Click on it. Then you're going to have system here. And then you want to click on a sound. And then you're going to have the output here that you can change. And then under it's going to be input, like microphone. You can also change the volume. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how you can change output and input. So yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.